is Pompey Paul. Welcome to my channel. Today is a very special day. Today is 21st June, World Music Day. So first of all, a very happy World Music Day to all of you. I'm in Bali and I'm in front of Griha Ola Creativita Seni. It means a house for creating creative artworks. And in this video, I'm going to show you a musical instrument called Kandir Wayang, which is used for wayang kulit puppet. Let's go inside and see the musical instrument. So I'm with Putu Budia.
Yeah.
He is Putu Budia and he is going to tell me about this instrument.
Sure. First of all, thank you for the time. Actually, the instrument in front of you, we call it Gender Wayang.
Kandir Wayang.
Gender Wayang.
Okay.
So Gender Wayang usually is used to support the performance of shadow puppet in Bali.
Okay.
But yeah.
This wayang kulit?
Wayang kulit, yeah.
Yes,
the shadow
wayang
puppet
kulit,
or
the
wayang
shadow
kulit.
puppet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But also, it can be performed separately. It's only the instrument only. So you can for example, that what we have it here. So it's only two instruments. The complete instrument you can use four of them. But
Four of them,
yeah,
okay.
two is also already enough.
Four all are same instrument?
All the same.
Okay.
Two big one and there's another two small one.
Two small
So,
ones.
this one is usually performed for related ceremony in Bali, like a temple ceremony
Okay.
and human-related ceremony like wedding ceremony or filing ceremony, and also people are using also for the cremation ceremony in Bali. We call it ngaben.
Now,
Ngaben, yeah.
so this is the offerings you put in front of the instrument.
Whatever you do in Bali, when you do something, when you start to do something, it always starts with a ceremony. We start with an offering. So this one of the offering we call it Vijati. So yes, before we perform something, we have to pray to God, asking for their blessing before we start what we are going to do.
Okay. So this is metal.
This is metal, yeah. This is
The
bronze.
plates are bronze.
Yeah, this is bronze.
And the stick which
This
they
one
use-
is from wood.
Okay.
Yeah, special wood.
So it produce sound only with this like hammering with the stick or something else also there inside.
So actually, to make it sound, you have to use this stick to make it sound. And also, as you can see down here, this is a bamboo. It's like a hole. This is a hole inside. So this hole that you produce when you hit one of the notes. So it will bring sound here. It will simmering and bring higher sound for the gamelan.
Okay. And can you introduce them?
Okay, so here actually her name is Kalista, and then his name is Mardika. So they are granddaughter and grandfather.
Already I have seen their performance. So yeah, I'm going to add the video of their performance. But also I'd like to know more about the instrument.
Okay.
Maybe they can produce a sound, and I
okay.
can take some video of that.
Okay, sure. Start to do the basics note for this gamelan. So this nong, neng, lu, nang, ding, and will play by Mardika. So that's the basic sound. Now we try to perform one music which is interlocking between the basic sound and the interlocking one. So both of them will be playing. Yeah.
as you said, this is the bamboo, which also like
there's
the
a-
sound go inside.
Yeah, I see.
Just
Just play it.
okay, so there is a resonance from the bamboo also.
Yeah. One, play something. Yeah.
So I'm going to try this, how I can play.
First, how to hold
Papa,
it.
you're teaching me now,
Yeah.
so you're my guru.
Orang kelas Indonesia.
This. Okay, like this.
Yeah,
Like this.
Yeah, this one. Start with nada dasar.
One and
1 and 6. Yeah. Yeah. Reverb.
okay, so it's like 1 and 6.
Yes.
6, same note, same sound.
You almost there. You almost there.
Yeah, but your
Thank
power
you.
is less.
Thank you for teaching me, Papa. Yeah, and I must. Yeah, the volume is good.
Over this.
Thank you so much, and thank you for watching. Do subscribe the channel, and I will come with more videos from Bali. Thank you.